Right. Now see the. So now see the fifth problem A bit. Relation is the first write down. Fifth problem A bit. Fifth problem A bit. So everyone see. So what is the R is given? Given that given what is the given is R relation is given. R relation is given. What is the R is the set also given. R is the set of all double arrow. You can put double arrow. R is indicating the real number set. Real numbers set. Real numbers real numbers. So another single R is equal to is the symbol of relation. What is the every relation have the order pair? What is the order pair? Is X and Y. X and Y. X and Y work at same place. Work at the same place. Work at the same place. Work at the same place, right? One is the set of all real numbers. One is the set of all real numbers. So one is the set of all real numbers. Another single arrow R is the real number symbol. Single R is the real number symbol. Okay, na? So now we have to show that it is a reflexive symmetric or it is a what is the name we have to be indication, right? Everyone see, I'm going to represent first one is so reflexive. I'm going to write a reflexive relation. A reflexive relation mean now write down the definition. So if A comma A belongs to that is the relation. A comma A belongs to relation for all every element is in the real number. Real number is the double arrow R. The real number. Now see. Here according to the definition X comma X. So he and his image. So X comma X mean he himself work at the same place. He is working in that place mean himself also working at the same place. Okay, now he is sitting in the class mean himself also sitting in the class only. So whatever, so he is in the class means himself also he is in the class. Therefore X comma X always belongs to R, always belonging to the relation. Therefore, R is here is a reflexive. Every person will sit in the same place. Means himself also sit in the same place. So he is in the sitting in the chair. Means himself also is sitting in the chair. That logic can be observed. X comma X belongs to R. X is the person. So sitting in this himself in the same place. Himself in the same place. Therefore, a reflexive. A reflexive. Reflexive relation. Reflexive. Hence it is a reflexive. Hence it is a reflexive. It is a reflexive. Okay, na? So I am sitting in the chair mean so myself is sitting in the chair. Okay, na? Therefore, but another person is my sitting in the chair means another person cannot be seen. Himself also sit in the same plane. Therefore, it is a reflexive, right? Symmetric. Symmetric relation. Symmetric. What is the symmetric relation? First, write down the definition. So reverse order also needed. If A comma B belongs to relation that implies B comma A belongs to relation for all small a, small b are the double arrow R means real numbers. Small a, small b are the double arrow R means real numbers. Okay, so two persons are sitting in the same place mean reverse order also we say that Rama Krishna sitting in the classroom. Reverse I will ask Krishna and Krishna and Rama sitting in the class. Both are same, na? So both are same, na? So Rama and Krishna sitting in the same class means reverse. I will tell Krishna and Rama sitting in the same place also, correct, na? So now write down for all x comma y belongs to R. So x and y sit in the same place. Y and x also in the same place. Y and x also in the same place. Y and x also in the same place. I am telling in the reverse order, active voice and passive voice type only. So that is the x comma y belongs to R mean. So both are in the same class mean the reverse order also sitting in the same class. Y comma x also belonging to the R. Y comma x also belongs to R. Therefore symmetric. It is symmetric. Hence symmetric. Hence symmetric. Hence symmetric. Right. Go through the trans to three relations. Trans to mean three relation. Everyone write down trans to relation. Transitive relation. Transitive relation. Transitive relation. Everyone write down the transitive relation. A first definition write down. A comma B belongs to relation and B comma C. B comma C belongs to relation. So A comma B, B is repeated. Compulsory B is repeated. First and the last, A and C also belonging to the relation. Then only it is a transitive. Very carefully sit. Observe. I will write for all x comma y belongs to same place. Okay, na? X comma y belongs to same place and y and z are sitting in stand in the same place. Y and x and y stand in this Sandhya theater. So x and y stand in the Sandhya theater. Y and z also stand in the Sandhya theater. Mean three persons are at Sandhya theater only. Okay, na? So x and y stand in the Sandhya theater, and y and z mean three persons are stand on the same at theater only. Then automatically x and z also stand in the same theater only. That implies x and z also belonging to the same place. So belonging to the same place. Therefore, it is a hence transitive. Hence transitive. Hence transitive. Okay, now clear now everyone? Hence transitive. Okay, now clear now everyone? Right. I go through the right. Only Rama Krishna in the class. We the third person see. For symmetric, third person is not necessary. Na? For symmetric, third person is not necessary. For symmetric, two persons is only necessary. Okay, na? So Rama and Krishna is stand in the same in the class mean. Third person not necessary. Third person is for transitive, third person is. So Rama, Krishna sit in the class. Krishna and another C sit in the another same class. Not on the another class is not possible now. So for example, so now I will tell Nichal and Abhay sit in the same class. Abhay and some other Baswaraj will sit in the same class. All are in the same class only. All are in the same. Third person B also in the same class only. A also in the same class only. Nichal also in the same class only. Okay, na? So automatically three are in the same class. Automatically N and B also in the same class. Trust is clear na? Okay, na? Clear na? Right. So now go to the fifth second bit, everyone. Go to the fifth second bit. Fifth second bit. Go through the fifth second bit. Everyone observe. Same. Fifth second bit is the same locality. Same only. Write down same fifth second bit fast. You can write down. So R given double R arrow R is a real number set. Real numbers set. Okay, relation is given. Relation is, every relation is an order page such that X and Y live in the same locality. X and Y live in the same locality. In same locality. Right, work out on the same fast you can do. Reflection not a reflection. See, X and Y are in Vijayagiri. X itself is also in Vijayagiri. He and himself in Vijayagiri. Okay, na? Reflexive. He and himself in Vijayagiri. Reflexive. X and Y are Vijayagiri means Y and X also in Vijayagiri. Symmetric. X, Y, Vijayagiri living, Y and Z living in the Vijayagiri means X and Z also living in the same Vijayagiri. Okay, na? So transitive also. Okay, na? Write down fast, everyone. Reflexive. Fast, everyone. Write down. Reflexive relation. First, everyone write down the definition. Reflexive relation. If A comma A belongs to relation R, for all every A belongs to real numbers. So for all X belonging to the same locality, X comma X belonging to the same locality. So hence reflexive. Okay, na? Now symmetric, write down fast. Symmetric relation. Write down number. What is the symmetric relation? Is first write down the definition. If A comma B belongs to real number, reverse order also belonging to the real number, then we say that it is a symmetric for all A comma B elements belonging to the real numbers. Now write down. For all X comma Y belonging to the real relation. So X and Y are living in the Vijayagiri means Y and X are living in the Vijayagiri. Y comma X also living in the same place. Therefore, hence symmetric. Transitive, write down fast. Fast you can write down. Transitive relation. First definition. Definition is compulsory. If A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, second element B is repeated, belongs to R, that implies first and last A and C belongs to R for all A, B, C belonging to the real numbers. A, B, C belonging to the real numbers. Okay, na? For all A, B, C belonging to the real numbers. For all A, B, C belonging to the real numbers. Okay, na? Real numbers. Now take for all X, Y belonging to the Vijayagiri and Y and X, Y and Z also belonging to the Vijayagiri. That means X and Z also living in the same Vidyagiri. Therefore, hence transitive, hence transitive, hence transitive, hence transitive. Okay, na? Hence transitive. Go through the third bit, everyone. Fast go through the third bit. Set is the real numbers only. Set is real numbers only. Third bit, write down third bit. Fast everyone, write down third bit. R is the double arrow. R is the double arrow. R is the real number set. Relation is write down x comma y. X is exactly x is exactly 7 centimeters taller than y. Taller than y. Reflexive is correct. Everyone is never taller than himself. Never taller than himself. Okay, na? First, everyone reflection, not a reflection. Everyone observe, and everyone fifth C bit reflection, not reflection. Everyone see. Everyone is taller than himself. Everyone is taller than himself. Everyone taller than himself. Never. He never himself taller. So yes. Yes. Therefore, not a reflexive. Right down. First definition is over. For all x comma x does not belongs to R. Not, hence not reflexive. Hence not reflexive. Every person never be taller than himself. Never taller than himself. Okay, na? Right. Second one. Symmetric relation. A comma B belongs to R. B comma A belongs to R. Then only we say that it is a symmetric. Here, X is taller than Y. X is taller than Y. I will draw the figure. He is the X person. He is the X person. He is taller than Y person. Taller than Y person. Y is taller than X person. Y is taller than X person. Never. So X is taller than Y. Y is not taller than X. Y is not taller than X. Okay, na? Y is not taller than X. Therefore, hence not reflect symmetric, not symmetric. X is taller than Y, but Y is not taller than X. Therefore, not symmetric. First, transitive relation, right on. A comma B belongs to R. B comma A belongs to R. C A comma C belongs to R. Then only we say that reflexive. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see here is X is taller than Y. X is taller than Y. Y is taller than Z. Y is taller than Z. Everyone carefully observe. X is 7 centimeters taller than Y. Y is 7 centimeters taller than Z. But X is not 7 centimeters taller. X is 14 centimeters taller than X. Fail. X is 14 centimeters taller than X, Z. So fail case is fail. X is taller than 7 centimeters and Y is taller than 7 centimeters mean X is taller than 14 centimeters. Therefore, here X taller than Y. Y is taller than Z, but X is 14 centimeters taller than, not 7 centimeters, 14 centimeters taller than Z. Yes, therefore not transitive. So not asking is the only 7 centimeters taller, but not more. Only 7 centimeter taller is needed, not more. Exactly is given. Exactly 7 centimeters, but 14 centimeters is not exactly 7 centimeters. Therefore, it is not a transitive. Right? Everyone go through the D bit first. D bit. Everyone go through the D bit. Carefully write down. Everyone go through the D bit. Fast it should be. Work out. What is the third one? Height is 14 centimeter. Here is the, what is the height not necessary. So what is the height of not necessary? Difference is necessary. Okay, na? So X is greater than 7 centimeter than Y. Right. Everyone, D write down. R is a set of all real numbers. X comma Y. What is the relation? Is X comma Y is given number. X is wife of Y. X is wife of Y. Wife of Y. Now work out. Not reflexive. Himself is not a wife. Himself is not a wife. Okay, na? Every person himself is not a wife for him. Okay, na? So fail. So first write down A comma A belongs to R, then only relation. Every person is not a himself is a wife, that is not belonging to the R, therefore hence not reflexive. Hence not reflexive. Symmetric. A comma B belongs to R, B comma A belongs to R, A, B are the. Now see the, here is X, X is a wife of Y. X is a wife of Y, means Y is a husband, X is a wife. But reverse is wrong. So Y is a husband, Y is a husband. So reverse is wrong. So X is a wife of Y. Reverse is a Y is a, not a wife of X. Y is not a wife of X. Therefore, symmetric also fail. Symmetric also fail. Not symmetric. Now come to the A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, A comma C belongs to R. Then only it is a transitive. Then only it is a transitive. Otherwise, it is not a transitive. We jets are in time. Yes. Now see the X is a wife of Y. 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 Wife of Y means Y is a husband. Y is a wife of Z is a wrong. Y is a wife of Z is the wrong. X is a wife of Y. Y is a husband, gent. So gent is not a wife of gent. So this is the wrong. So this is not belonging to the R. No question of X and Z also. No question of X and Z. Not transitive. Not transitive. Not transitive. Okay, now? Right. What is the another relations we are not asking? That relation is satisfied or not? Okay, now? Right. E, last one is the E. E first, you can say model. E also fast. Everyone work out E also fast. Last one, everyone work out fast. It should be work out. E bit is fifth E bit. So in the textbook backside is the given wrong. Maybe trans to given answer. That is a wrong. It should correct in the textbook. E bit is CM. R is the real number set. And what is another relation is given? X is a father of Y. X is a father of Y. father of y. X is a father of y. Okay, na? Now, every person himself is not a father, reflexive is fail. X comma X does not belongs to R, therefore hence not reflexive, symmetric. X is a father of Y. X is a father of Y means Y is a son. Reverse not satisfied. Reverse not satisfied. Y is a son. Y is a son. X is a father of Y. Y is not a father of X. That is the wrong. Not symmetric. Transitive. X is a father of Y. Yes. Y is a father of Z. Yes. X is a father of Y. Y is a father of Z. But X is a grandfather of Z. That is the wrong. X is not a father of Z, not transitive. X is a grandfather of Z. X is a grandfather of, he is asking about father only. X is not a father of Z. X is a father of Y. Y is a son. Son is a father of Z. Son is a father of Z. Okay, na? So now, so X is a grandfather of Z, but X is not a father of Z. Okay, na? That is wrong. Not a transitive. Okay, na? Right. Everyone. Fifth problem, E bits is completed. Now come to the second problem. Now come to the second problem. Everyone come to the second problem. What is the second problem? Read them one time. Show that the relation R in the set of all real numbers. Second problem, everyone observe. Given R is a real number set. Real numbers set. R is a real numbers set. Okay. Another relation R is given. Relation R is given. What is the given relation R is? Every order pair A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Right. Everyone see, not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. Okay, na? A comma B. First, not reflexive means one example you should give. Not transitive means one example you should give. And not reflexive means one example you can give. Not symmetric means one example you should give. Not transitive means one example you should give. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. First, write down definition. Reflexive relation for all A comma A belongs to R. For every A is belonging to the real number. Okay, na? I will take if for all 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 belonging to the R, belonging to the RR does not belonging to the RRC. According to the definition, what is the A? 1 by 2. This is the B, less than or equal to 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square. So 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 2 value is 0.5, less than or equal to 1 by 4 value is 0.25. 0.2 greater, 0.5 greater, 0.5 is greater. So not equal, not equal, not equal, automatically not equal, not reflexive, not reflexive. Symmetric relation, symmetric relation, symmetric relation, symmetric relation. First write down definition. If A comma B belongs to R, that implies B comma A also belongs to R for all A, B are real number set. A, B are real number set. A, B are real number set. Okay, na? A, B are real number set. Okay, so see, take one example. For all 1 comma 2 belonging to the, so R only, if C belonging to the R only because of a 1 is less than or equal to 2 square. So 1 is less than or equal to 4 is correct. 1 is less than, 1 is a compulsory less than 4. Not equal to 4, any one condition satisfied. Second one, same. Reverse, 2 comma 1 belongs to R by the definition 2 less than or equal to 1 square. 2 is less than or equal to 1 is wrong. 2 never be less than 1, can not less than 1, not less than 1 square, not belonging to the R. Therefore, not symmetric, not symmetric, not symmetric. Write down the transitive. Any one example you can take. Fail for transitive. Any one example you should take. Fail for transitive. Any one example. Any one example you can take. Transitive relation. For failing example you can take. Transitive relation, if first write down the definition. If A comma B belongs to R and B